Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fix. This is the Genesis GV80 Coupe Concept, and it's pretty impressive. Let's take a close look at some of the details. We're here at the New York Auto Show at the Genesis house, and I have to show you some really cool features of this vehicle. It's a concept. They need to make this a production car. Let's start off with the front of the car. One of the things you notice, Genesis and the two stripes. That's what you're seeing on the full product line. But this is cool. Carbon fiber details that make this vehicle stand out. Look at the carbon fiber on the front splitter. Another really unique character, gloss grille, but behind it is matte. Really cool design, and this is the Genesis logo for this vehicle. I would say that this is like a cool performance logo, very flat, really unique. But I gotta show you some other cool details with this. These are 23-inch alloy wheels with the biggest brakes you're gonna see. They look like Brembo brakes, they're huge. Love the alloy wheels with the stripes built into the wheels. You're riding on Pirelli tires. If this is a production car, this is gonna be amazing looking, but there's more I have to show you. Check out that. Illuminated, designed by Genesis. Of course, you got the stripes along the side. Love these carbon fiber mirrors. I'm a huge carbon fiber fan. Come inside. Start looking at these seats. These look like sparkle race buckets, but yet there's also two of them in the back. But the center has got carbon fiber, and you also have Alcantara wheel, really nice, thick and meaty, orange stitching, and they call this lava because there's volcanoes that are all over Korea.
You guys can look as much as you want.
So in the second row, you can see there are more seats, and this really unique center console. It has like a grip. In the back is something I didn't think I would see, roll bar. You're gonna go between the seats and see it maybe? Check out that roll bar. It's actually like for a race car, and matching luggage in the back. Orange seat belts or lava, the stitching with the Alcantara and the carbon fiber, really neat, and of course they've got window shades as well. Let me show you the back of this car. This is really awesome. Carbon fiber wing, which is real carbon fiber, built-in integrated third brake light. Across the back, this won't be production, I'm told, but right now this concept car has got the lights across. You'll probably see them stop here because of government regulations. You can see this GV80 Coupe Concept and then this rear carbon fiber splitter. Really nice, but check out the exhaust in the shape of the Genesis logo. And yes, this is an ICE vehicle, which means it is a naturally aspirated car. Maybe it's turbocharged. We don't know what the driveline is going to be. But overall, this vehicle is really impressive. It even has a carbon fiber roof. This is impressive. If this is a vehicle that Genesis is going to build as it sits today, especially with a launch color like this orange, I think they have a winner, and I think the Germans are not going to be happy. We're going to get more details on this vehicle in the near future. This is apparently close to a production car. We don't know just yet, but as soon as we know, we'll let you know on our channel. If you got value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. You can buy me a cup of coffee and support our channel. The link for that is down below, as well as the website, the podcast, the book, and my social media. Lots more here at the New York Auto Show. Thanks so much for watching.